guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very different quiz. Basically, we have a number which is 4, which is repeated and with multiple signs. Like here we have the basic operation, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And here we have the some pattern which is repetition of 4 number with different operation or same operation. So now we have to find out which answer is correct after solving it. So here we will follow the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule to solve the given expression. And if you see the answer list, we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is 32, C is 48, and D is 20. So let's see after solving it, which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to understand what are the rules we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see, like here we have 2 rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of your number. And step number 3 is you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. Or we can subtract first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have BODMAS and PEMDAS rules. So which means that you have to solve first the bracket. So here we do not have any bracket. Now we will move forward to find out the exponent part. And also we do not have any exponent part. So now we will move forward to division and multiplication. So first of all, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have this multiplication. So now we will multiply 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4 is 16. Sorry, 16. And other parts we will write as it is. And here we have, we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Okay. Now again, we have to move forward left to right. And again, we have to find out multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication, which is another multiplication, and other parts we will write as it is. So a 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. And this part we will write as it is. So here we will give the reference like 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Now move forward left to right in our expression and find out last multiplication, because we have this another multiplication. So we will write 16 plus 4, and this part we will write as it is minus 16, 16 the 4 for the 16. Again, we will give the reference here. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Now move forward. Now we do not have any multiplication and division. So now we will move forward left to right again and find out addition and subtraction. So here we have this addition first. So now we will add both of them. 16 plus 4 equals to 20. And this part we will write as it is. Now here we will give the reference 16 plus 4 equals to 20. Here we have this 4. Okay. Now again we have to go left to right and solve multiplication and division. So here we have 2 steps. First we have to add both of them, and after that we will subtract them. Or you can say first we can first subtract both of them and then add. So we have here following BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. So we will follow first we will add this part. So 20 plus 16, which is equal to 36 minus 16. And here we will give the reference like 20 plus 16, which is equal to 36. Now, in the end, we have two terms which are subtracting each other, 36 minus 16. So the answer of the, after subtracting both of them, we get the answer is 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. So if you see the answer list, answer D is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.